Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how to achieve a ribbon braid that we made to our this year's Halloween style. Part the hair in the middle. We're going to do a pigtail style. Make sure the part line is neat and just clip away or make a low ponytail with the side of hair that you're not braiding. Then section off a front part of hair. Split this front part into 3 equal sections. I'm using here some hairspray just to give myself some more grip, and then I put the ribbon double over the middle strand. Now you have 5 strands, so you bring the left strand under the neighbor, then over the ribbon, under the ribbon, and the other strand under. Add in some hair and now bring it over the ribbon and under the ribbon. Now bring the left strand again under and add in some hair. Again, over and under the ribbon and then the other side. You have to imagine that you want to clip the hair in between of the ribbon. So the ribbon always goes from both sides around the strand that is traveling from the left hand side to the right hand side, or from the right hand side to the left hand side. Make sure that you tie all the 5 strands, including the ribbons, good in between of your fingers, and that you hold everything tight. If you need some gel for flyaways, you apply that when you bring under the extra portion of hair. Make sure all the strands are always smooth so that the final result is a neater one. Keep on doing the same step. It's absolutely repetitive, like all the braids actually. Bring over and under. Then add in the new strand and some extra hair, and the one that travels from one side to the other goes over and under. Do this braid until you reach at the end of the ribbon, and then you can add in a tiny hair elastic. Our first braid is done. Now I'm using some hairspray. Before I open the braid, we call this pancaking. I make the braid wider by pulling the outer edges gently and carefully, but not how we're doing it. And then we go to the other side and do exactly the same thing. Take a portion of hair from the front, comb everything through, use some hairspray for having some extra grip, bring the ribbon over the middle strand, under the neighbor, over and under the ribbon, and then the other side under. And now when you did the first stitch, you start to add in hair. Do the same thing until the end. If you want to braid until the very end of the hair, what I avoided because it's always shorter the hair at the end and then they are sticking out, you can make the ribbon longer. Now I add again some hairspray to pancake the braid and make it wider. It looks fuller, the braid, and it looks like more braid actually. Then when you like the result, add the hair accessory. This can be a 2D boot that you just designed by yourself, and I just add a little bobby pin to clip it into the hair tie. And this is the final result. Isn't she the cutest witch ever? This is the back view, 2 pancaked, big 5-strand ribbon braids. I hope you like it. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and see you back soon. Bye bye!